Network address translation, or NAT, is a technology that allows multiple devices on your home network to share a single public IP address. Instead of each device needing its own public IP, the router translates between private internal addresses and the public address. There are three main NAT types that determine how your router handles inbound connections. Open NAT allows all inbound traffic, moderate allows some, and strict NAT blocks most unsolicited inbound connections for security. T-Mobile home internet gateways typically default to strict NAT. While this provides good security by blocking unwanted inbound traffic, it can cause problems with online gaming, voice over IP calls, and other applications that need to receive unsolicited connections. Here's how NAT works in practice. External traffic comes in with a public destination address, gets translated by the router to an internal private address, and then reaches the correct device on your home network. With strict NAT, the router is very cautious about allowing inbound connections. This security measure can prevent your gaming console or VoIP device from properly connecting to online servers, leading to connection issues or failed multiplayer sessions. T-Mobile Home Internet, or TMHI, operates using cellular networks like 5G and LTE, unlike traditional wired connections. This fundamental difference in technology leads to the use of strict NAT by default. In cellular networks, your home setup is treated as an extension of the broader mobile network. This means the gateway acts more like a mobile device on the carrier's infrastructure, with built-in protections that prioritize network stability and security. Strict NAT serves as a crucial security measure. By blocking nearly all unsolicited inbound traffic, it prevents unauthorized access to your home network and protects against external threats like hacking attempts or malware. This firewall-like protection is essential for cellular internet services. Additionally, strict NAT helps prevent overloading the carrier's infrastructure. Cellular networks have limited bandwidth compared to wired connections, so filtering inbound connections ensures the network remains stable and efficient for all users. This approach differs significantly from traditional cable or DSL internet, where routers typically allow more user customization of network settings. However, cellular internet prioritizes built-in security and network management over individual control. Despite the limitations for some applications, this setup provides inherent security advantages for cellular internet users. The strict filtering reduces exposure to cyber threats and ensures compliance with carrier security policies. T-Mobile has introduced firmware updates and app-based features to help resolve strict NAT issues. Firmware updates for TMHI gateways include enhanced universal plug-and-play support, allowing better automatic port management. The T-Mobile Home Internet app features a gaming mode toggle that automatically configures port forwarding for popular gaming platforms. This mode specifically optimizes ports 374 for Xbox and 9307 for PlayStation, enabling smoother online gaming connections. To get the best results, open the T-Mobile app, ensure your gateway firmware is updated, and activate the gaming mode feature. One effective workaround for managing NAT with T-Mobile Home Internet is to connect a third-party router to the TMHI gateway using Ethernet in bridge mode. This setup allows the third-party router to handle NAT, giving you greater control over network connections. Popular third-party routers like the ASUS RT-AX88U or Netgear Nighthawk can be used for this purpose. These devices offer advanced features for managing NAT settings. In bridge mode, the TMHI gateway acts as a modem, passing the internet connection directly to the third-party router. The third-party router then manages NAT, allowing you to configure settings for better connectivity in games and applications. This approach provides several benefits, including more control over NAT settings, the potential to achieve open or moderate NAT, and improved support for online gaming and streaming services. However, be aware of important warnings. This setup may void your TMHI warranty and could introduce security risks if the third-party router is not configured correctly. Always ensure the firewall on your third-party router is properly set up to protect your network. This guide explains how to set up bridging with your T-Mobile Home Internet gateway, if your model supports it. First, check your specific TMHI gateway model's documentation to confirm if it supports bridging mode. Next, access your TMHI Gateway's settings interface and enable bridge mode. Then, connect an Ethernet cable from the TMHI Gateway to the WAN port on your third-party router. Configure your third-party router to obtain an IP address automatically using DHCP. Refer to your third-party router's manual for detailed setup instructions. Important note, not all TMHI gateways officially support or recommend bridging mode. UPnP, or Universal Plug and Play, is a networking protocol that lets devices on your local network automatically configure port forwarding. This eliminates the need for manual setup, making it easier for applications like gaming consoles or streaming devices to connect to the internet. To enable UPnP on your T-Mobile Home Internet Gateway, access the device settings through the T-Mobile app or web interface. Look for the Network Settings section and toggle UPnP on if the option is available. If UPnP is not available or doesn't resolve the connection issues, you can manually forward ports. This involves opening specific ports in your router settings to allow traffic to reach particular devices. For manual port forwarding, consult the documentation of your specific application or game to find the required port numbers. Common examples include port 3U74 for Xbox Live or port 9307 for PlayStation Network. Access your router's port forwarding settings and add these ports. The future of T-Mobile Home Internet looks promising, with trends towards more user-friendly interfaces. These will include AI-assisted troubleshooting that automatically detects your devices and configures the necessary ports for optimal performance in gaming and streaming applications. Another exciting development is adaptive NAT technology in future gateways. This system will dynamically adjust network address translation settings based on your current usage patterns. During idle times, it maintains strict security, but switches to moderate or open configurations when you're gaming, streaming, or using bandwidth-intensive applications. Looking ahead to 2028, T-Mobile is expected to roll out innovative NAT bypass features in their gateway firmware. These advanced capabilities could render strict NAT obsolete for the majority of users, enabling seamless peer-to-peer connections and eliminating the need for manual port forwarding or bridging workarounds. Finally, with the advent of 6G networks, NAT handling will become seamlessly integrated into advanced home mesh systems. These intelligent networks will automatically manage connections across all your devices, from smartphones to gaming consoles, ensuring optimal performance without the need for manual fixes or configuration. T-Mobile is committed to evolving their home internet service, making strict NAT, ANT, and connectivity issues a thing of the past. These future advancements promise a smoother, more reliable online experience for all users.